New Year is a special day for everyone. It is celebrated on 1st January every year. It is celebrated all over the world. It is celebrated just like a festival. New Year celebrated beings at night of 31, stint December. People wish Happy New Year to each other. New Year is a new chapter of our life. It brings happiness for everyone. Many people take a resolution on this day. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness. A New Year resolution is a promise to do something better in the coming year. My resolution this year is to study regularly and improve myself. I also want to wake up early and exercise to stay healthy and active. I plan to help my parents with small tasks at home. I will read more books to gain knowledge and learn new things. I want to spend less time on TV and mobile games. I will be kind to my friends, family, and everyone around me. I aim to save money and avoid unnecessary expenses. My resolution is to work hard and make this year my best year ever. Happy New Year. I hope all your dreams come true. Happy New Year. I hope your brings us more wonderful opportunities to spend time together. May the new year bring every massage of happiness. I hope it brings a smile to your face. My God, open the door of happiness, success, and prosperity for you in this new year.